friends, this is our second lecture of C language series, and today's topics are C character, C constant and variables, C keywords. So let's begin. C character. Any alphabets, digits, symbols like which you can see in figure. Alphabets like capital A, capital B, small alphabets like A, B, and digits like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Special symbols like at the rate, hash, percentage, power, asterisk, which we can see here. And the next is constant and variables. Constant is an entity that is fixed and variable is not fixed. Next is variable are memory location to store value. Yes, if we can write here, if we create a variable like int x, then it will create a memory location in our RAM x where we can store values of integer type value like 1, 1, 2, that is 12. Any integer type value we can store here. Okay. Next is constants are called literals and variables are also called identifiers. Okay. Next topic is type of constant in C language. There are two type of constants in C language, primary constant and secondary constant. Primary constants such as integer constant, real constant, and character constant. And secondary constants are array, pointer, structure, union, enum, which we can see in the given figure. Okay. And the next topic is rules for constructing integer constant. Okay. An integer must have at least one digit. At least one digit. We can take 2 digit also, 1, 2, 3 digit also, but at least one digit. Okay. Next is it must have no decimal point. We cannot take like this 1.1, yeah, 3.0. We cannot take like this. We cannot use decimal. Next is it can be positive, 0 and negative. It can be positive 1, 0, -1, okay, or any positive value, negative value, and 0 we can take. Next is no commas or blanks are allowed. We cannot take like this 1, 1, yeah, 1 blank 2. We cannot take like this. Next is its range is from -2147483648 to +2147483647. Okay. And our next topic is rules for constructing real constant. Okay. At least, first point is at least have one digit. Okay. Next, must have decimal point. This is the contradictory point of integer constant. Okay, it must have it must have decimal point, means we have to take like this, wait, like 2.0, 2.1. Next is either positive or negative. It can be positive, negative, but not 0. Okay. Next is fourth point. No commas and blanks are allowed in real constant. Same point, we cannot take comma like this, 2, 2. We cannot take like this. We cannot take blank also, 2, blank 2. Both are wrong for real constant. Next is example, we can see 0.000342 can be written like 3.42 e -4, where 3.42 is called mantissa and -4 is called exponential part. And the last is its range is from -3.4 e38 to +34 e38, means from -3.4 into 10 to the power 30, wait a minute, from minus 3.4 into 10 to the power 38 to 3.4 into 10 to the power 38. Its range is from minus 3.4 into 10 to the power 38 to 3.4 into 10 to the power 38. Okay. And the next rule for constructing character constant. First is it is single alphabet or single special character constant enclosed within single inverted commas. Okay. Means we can take like this, as we can see here, a, this is correct, but we cannot take like this is not correct. We can also take like this is also correct. Okay. And then next is type of variable constant. First is integer variable, second is real variable, and third one is character variable, which we have discussed earlier. Next is rules for constructing variable name. First one is it is combination of 1 to 31 alphabet digits or underscores. And the next is some compiler allow variable name up to 274 character. Yes, we can take like this: A, B, C, dot, A, and this length can be maximum up to 274 only. Okay. And first character only be alphabet or underscore. Means we can take this like first is underscore and then any alphabet, any digit we can take. But after this, after taking underscore or any alphabet, we can take any number, digits, like underscore A2 we can take. This is correct, but we cannot take like this underscore 2 underscore A. This is wrong. Okay. We can take like this A underscore B2. This is also correct. Okay. And the next is keywords. This is our last topic. There are 32 keywords in C language. Okay, which we can see here. These are auto, break, case, care, const, continue, default, do, double, else, enum, extern, float, for, go to, if, int, long, register, return, short, size of, static, struct, switch, type def, union, unsigned, void, volatile, while. These are the keywords which we will use in our coming classes. Thank you for today's class. Have a nice day.